Welcome student. Today I am going to explain is matter around us pure part 4. First one is compound. That is a pure substance. What is a compound? A compound is a substance made up of two or more elements chemically combined in a fixed proportion. Chemically combined in fixed proportion by mass. For example, water. Formula is H2O, ammonia, formula is NH3, carbon dioxide, formula is CO2. So these are the compounds because they have a fixed ratio of elements in by mass. They follow the law of conservation of mass or law of constant proportion. Compounds can be divided into three classes: acids, bases and salts. On the basis of their properties, compounds can be divided into three classes: acids, bases and salts, on the basis of their properties. For example, sulfuric acid, nitric acids are acids. Alkalis or bases like sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, and salts like sodium chloride, ammonium chloride, etc. are salts. Now we have to know properties of compounds. What is the properties of compounds? First one is compound cannot be separated into its components by any physical methods. Compounds cannot be separated into its components by any physical methods. Second one is its properties are entirely different. Its properties are entirely different from those of its constituent elements. Energy is either given out or absorbed during the preparation of a compound. Energy is either given out or absorbed during the preparation of a compound. The composition, next one is the composition of a compound is fixed. The constituents are present in a fixed proportion by mass. Fifth property, it has a fixed melting points, boiling points, etc. And last one is it has a homogeneous substance. All the compounds are homogeneous substance, because if we take water, we see that all the bulk contains water molecules. Now we have to know about mixtures. What is a mixture? A mixture is a substance which consists of two or more elements or compounds not chemically combined together. There is some difference between compounds and mixture. Mixture is a substance which consists of two or more elements or compound not chemically combined together. But we see in the compounds they are chemically combined. All the solutions are mixtures. For example, salt solution, sugar solution, etc. are mixtures. The various substances present in a mixture are known as components of the mixture. The various substances present in a mixture is known as components of the mixture. For example, salt and water are components of salt solution. Now we have to know types of mixture. There are two types of mixture. First one is homogeneous mixture and second one is heterogeneous mixture. First, homogeneous mixture. What is a homogeneous mixture? So those mixtures in which the substances are completely mixed together and are indistinguishable from one another are called homogeneous mixtures. It has a uniform composition. Throughout its mass. uh, it has no visible boundaries of separation. It has no visible boundaries of separation between the various constituents. Last one is, they are also called solutions. All the homogeneous mixtures are also called solutions. For example, sugar solution, salt solution, alcohol and water solution, etc. Next one is heterogeneous mixture. What is a heterogeneous mixture? Those mixtures in which the substances remain separate and one substance is spread throughout the other substance as a small particles, droplets or bubbles are called heterogeneous mixtures. Those mixtures in which the substances remains separate and one substance is spread throughout the other substance as a small particles like droplets, bubbles are called heterogeneous mixtures. These mixtures does not have a uniform composition. Heterogeneous mixture does not have a uniform composition. It has visible boundaries. It has visible boundaries of separations between the various constituents. All the suspensions and colloids are heterogeneous mixtures. All the suspensions and colloids are heterogeneous mixtures, and most of the mixtures are heterogeneous. For example, sugar and sand. If we mix it, sugar and sand, we see the particles of sugar and sand clearly. In the gunpowder, we also see the components separately. In the soil, we also see different types of particles separately. In milk, we also see globules of fat droplets or oil droplets floating on the surface of milk. In the ink, we also see some insoluble substances settle down. So these substances are heterogeneous mixtures. So there are two types of mixtures: homogeneous and heterogeneous. Homogeneous are uniformly mixed up, and heterogeneous are non-uniformly mixed up, and their components have visible boundaries of separation. But uniform mixtures or homogeneous mixtures have no visible boundaries. They show only one color. So we deal other segment in next class.